Okay, we're magnet fishing a new spot today, the Adriatic. We have Ashley here. She's a virgin. We brought a virgin to the bell tower.
Oh, I can't flip it.
You can't flip it. Okay, just
there, like
that's the bell tower.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we're gonna see what we got. I think somebody caught an iPhone lately, so we're gonna see what he left behind.
Peace.
Peace.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Pull it up.
That's not real. Oh my God.
First cast. That's a good thing.
That's a good thing. Her first cast. She gets a big rod.
No clippers.
No clippers. You got a what?
Pretty little lure.
If you want to keep them, keep them. I'm not getting anything. I got two small pieces of wire. But... Oh man, that's something deep down in that mud.
Oh, that mud is deep.
I'm not getting shit. I got a hook.
We call him Herman.
Yeah. Oh, we got something. Fishing lure. Oh, got a wormy worm.
That's a worm. Nice.
Yeah.
Swim bait.
Fatty.
The bigger single-sided, it is a little heavier in there underneath my bag.
Just like regular fishing, you go out in every cast, man, you will catch a fish.
Oh, got,
Can't have
oh,
days like that every time.
got a hook and a weight and another hook.
That's good. That's
You got that undone yet?
in there. I got a plan.
What is your plan?
I'm going to put something else on the other end of this. I'm going to go double.
Oh. But you're going to put a magnet on the other end? Your double? And you're going to hold it in the middle?
Well, I'm going to split it down the middle. I can throw one out this way and one out the other.
Oh, you're going to split your rope?
No, I'm not going to physically split it. I'm going to mentally split it.
So now you're using the power as a psychic to magnet fish?
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
You know those guys that can bend spoons and shit with their mind? I'm going to try to find shit.
Maybe we need to start doing drugs while we do this. Maybe that'll make more sense.
I'm going to use this rope for this magazine.
Okay.
But I don't want to cut it, so I'm just half and it. Because I don't like
Oh, okay.
that little scrawny.
I thought you were going to throw both of them in at the same time.
I've got choices here now.
That's actually a decent one.
Fresh lured.
Mainly the weight.
Oh, this is a good way.
Do you want that?
Yeah.
And always watch your rope so you don't get...
To wrap it around your ankle.
Yes. And you pull it back in just the same, just, you know, at a medium pace, not fast, not slow. Unless you feel something. Oh, I just got a whole bunch of moss. Ugh. Look at me. Oh. And a paper clip.
Bottle cap is good fun. Oh, look at that.
You're the first one. What is it? What is it?
Cap, nail.
What'd you get? Oh, bottle cap nail. What kind of?
Burrito.
Oh, no.
Oh, you are official now. You got rebar, bottle cap, and a nail. You're a magnet fisher now.
That's a good one.
Mm-hmm. Got another piece of wire. We did not find much here at Adriatica, so we're gonna go to our next spot, which he says is a secret. Bye. So this spot that we went to in Lewisville, they started it like somewhere between 1981 and ended like in 1989. Don't know what this is. Don't know if they were trying to continue to add some apartments. But yeah, this little area is weird. It looks like it all was underwater at one time, and they made all this area, even the apartments across from us. So if anybody was in Lewisville, Texas in the like 80s, and you know what this was, let us know. Got plier.
Little Frankie.
Oh, We're at the secret spot. All right. This is crazy. Yeah. All right. Oh, I got a lure.
I'm guarantee you're gonna get one.
I think that's one of those crappie things. Another bracket? Wow. And you've got a tree. You got a what? A pipe.
Been down there a while.
Wow. Woohoo. Oh, I got something.
What is that?
Brackets. Like 4 brackets, a piece of metal. Bracket.
Fishing hook I've ever seen.
Damn. But that was a wide bubble. Oh. What the hell is that? Is that a hose?
Fucking hose. So just regular hose.
Regular hose.
Regular hose. Got a hose.
Hose! Kaplunk. Walk it.
Oh shit. I hope I'm not caught on a rock or something. Oh, shit.
Walk it. This is definitely going on video. Do you got your phone on you? Okay. Oh, dude. Okay.
Yeah.
Whew. Yay!
All that yoga paid off.
There's a rope in there too. Oh, a little bitty, like the spoon part of a lure. Road runner. Huh, almost looks like an earring. A bag and a bracket. A bolt and a messed up something.
Moving down. I feel like this is the
Get straight. Uh-oh. I got a washer and some fishing line. With my luck, I'm gonna fall in. Oh, tin can lid. Oh. Oh shit. A chair. That's the first chair that I've gotten up just first pull with a magnet. Usually it takes a little bit. It's not all of it, but sweet. Nail and eyelet. Some hooks. I got something on there. What do we get? Oh, reel. Busted reel. Oh, first bottle cap of the day. What? It's a Miller High Life. Awesome. Oh, we got the Corona today. Corona Extra. We can kind of see. We can kind of see. What the hell? That is a plastic bag. Oh, that is 9 kinds of yuck. Oh my god. Oh, damn it. It let go. Oh shit. All these bags have me a little concerned about what I'm pulling up. Okay. Got a Stella.
Yeah, I got both of them. I gotta get my holder going.
So,
Well, if there's anything in here, we will find it.
I see a fishing lure. Oh, a nasty bloated worm.
You got something?
Oh, yeah. A wormy. I know. Look at it.
That's actually good fishing stuff, man. Boy, that's good. That's a good one. Yeah, this is really good for plants, boy.
Oh, that stinks too. Okay, we're on video.
I know.